You might be blocking money from manifesting into your reality and not even realize it. This video is going to show you 5 ways that you stop money from manifesting into your reality. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Mary Kate. I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com. If you're into the law of attraction and manifesting, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. So everyone wants to manifest money into their reality. You can follow all your manifesting steps, use the law of attraction to try and manifest, but if you do these 5 things, you're going to block money from manifesting into your reality. So believe it or not, money is an endless resource. There's enough money to go around for everybody. You just have to know how to tap into it and how to manifest abundance into your life. Just because someone has millions and millions and millions of dollars doesn't mean that that's money that you can't have. There's enough money to go around for everybody. You just have to learn how to consciously create it into your life. Somebody else having a ton of money doesn't take away from your ability to have money too. Let's get into number 5. Number 5 is trying too hard. Do you find yourself constantly trying to manifest money into your life? Well, if that sounds like you, you are actually blocking money from manifesting into your reality. In order to manifest anything into your reality, you don't need to keep trying things and trying to control the situation. You simply have to act, be, and do. Act like the version of yourself that already has what you want. Be the person you need to be in order to manifest what you want, and do the things that you feel inspired to do, taking inspired action. Stop trying so hard. Stop trying to make things happen. Stop trying all the steps over and over and over again. You want to get to a place where manifesting is effortless. You get clear on what you want, you get focused on what you want, you get clear on your mindset, and you follow the steps and manifest something into your reality. You don't want to have to constantly keep trying and trying and trying. Stop trying, just act, be, and do. Number 4 is stop oversharing. Stop telling everybody your plans. Stop telling everybody what you're trying to manifest. Some things are better if you keep them to yourself, put your head down, focus on what you want to create, and let it go. Let it be your thing. Keep it to yourself. The more you go around sharing it with so many different people, you're going to let other people's thoughts influence your belief system. If enough people tell you you're not going to be a millionaire, you're going to start to feel like that's not part of your reality and that's not going to happen for you. You don't need to share what you're trying to manifest with everybody you meet. You don't need to share it with your cousin, your brother, your sister, your aunts, uncles, best friends, cousins, sister. Keep it to yourself. I typically don't like to share what I'm trying to manifest because it's something very personal. Something you're trying to create in your reality should be personal to you. You don't need other people's thoughts or feelings influencing your manifesting process. So don't overshare. Whatever you're trying to manifest, keep it to yourself so that you can keep your focus on your mindset and your subconscious beliefs. You don't need other people influencing how you feel. So don't overshare. Number 3 is focusing on lack. I see this way too often, people focusing on the fact that something hasn't manifested for you yet. It's so easy to get frustrated when you are following the steps and you want to manifest $1,000 by tomorrow and you don't see it by tomorrow. This goes hand in hand with trying too hard. You cannot force anything to happen in your timeline. Stop looking for where something is. Stop searching for whatever it is you're trying to manifest. I actually see this a lot in comments on my videos. Some people trying on meditation and they're like, I'm on day 7 of 7 and I haven't manifested $60,000 today. Stop focusing on the fact that it hasn't happened yet. Focus on the possibility that it can happen at any second. But the more you focus on how it hasn't happened yet, the further you're going to push it away from you. Stop focusing on the lack. Focus on the small victories. Focus on that dollar bill you found on the floor the other day. Focus on that discount you got on something you bought online. Focus on all the small victories, and the big one is right around the corner. Stop looking for evidence that it hasn't happened yet. Stop focusing on lack. Stop repeating those stories of how you can never manifest anything, or you never have enough money, or you don't have enough money to pay this bill, or your car broke down and you can't pay this bill and you need this money now. Stop needing it and stop focusing on the lack. It will come if you believe it's on its way. Simply believe it's on its way and don't try and control it. and don't focus on the lack. Number 2 is negative beliefs around money. A lot of the times we are programmed from a very young age, money doesn't grow on trees, we can't afford this. Little things like that influence your subconscious beliefs about how much money that you can actually have. After high school, you're taught that you need to go to college to get a good job, to make money, and that's exactly how it works. That's how our society is programmed. That's how people think that that's how you go about making money. You don't have to be programmed the way society tells you. You don't have to be a doctor in order to have a lot of money. You don't need to become a lawyer in order to have a lot of money. Do what you are called to do, and that is how you will find the most wealth possible. Follow your calling. What are you inspired to do? The reason you're inspired to do certain things or follow certain career paths is because that is what's meant for you, and that's where you'll find the most abundance. The more you fight it and try and work at dead-end jobs that aren't going anywhere, the more you repel money. You need to focus on what your belief system is about money and how money flows to you and how you create money. Your belief system will determine what happens in your reality. If you believe that money flows to you easily and effortlessly, that will become part of your reality. Fully, truly believe that you are capable of attracting as much money as you need whenever you need it. If you keep repeating these negative beliefs, you're going to keep pushing money away. Whatever you believe is what's going to happen in your reality. If you fully, truly can convince your subconscious mind that you can have as much money as you want, then that is what's going to happen in your reality. So shift your belief system, journal, and get clear on exactly how you feel about money. I'll leave a link down below for my money mindset workbook. It's a really great way to get out your thoughts and feelings on money. So it's a really great jumping off point to get your belief system solid. If you can shift those beliefs, you'll be amazed at how much money you can attract into your life. And number 1 is control. Surrender your control. You have no way of controlling how or when money will come to you. Stop trying to control how you're going to receive the money that you want. That is not up to you. Get excited and let the universe deliver it in the right time, in the right way. You have no idea what's around the corner. Let me repeat that. You have no idea what's around the corner. Stop trying to dictate how the universe is going to deliver something to you, because it might come in such an easier and more exciting way. Instead of trying to work against the universe, work hand in hand with the universe and trust that it will come to you when it's meant to. Become aligned, change your belief system, and align with what it is that you want, and then trust that it's going to happen. Don't try and control it. It's not up to you. Surrender that control. It'll actually make you feel a lot more relieved when you don't feel like you have to do this every single day in order to have money. Ignore your current circumstances and trust that it is coming. Even if your situation is dire right now, even if you feel like you need this money tomorrow, let go of trying to control it. Everything will work out in your favor if you trust that it will. Whatever you are feeling internally is going to show up on the external. I have a whole video about how the internal affects the external. I'll leave a link below and a link up here for you to check it out. It's a great video if you want to know how what you're feeling inside is going to manifest things into the external reality. So check that out as well. I really hope that you learn from these 5 common mistakes people make when it comes to manifesting money. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell notification so you get notified whenever I post my next video. And as always, leave me a comment below. I love hearing from you and I love going through your comments, so leave me a little shout out below. And if you want more law of attraction tips and resources, be sure to check out my website, mkmagicmindset.com, and I will see you in the next one.